Good morning, friends. So, let's discuss how to implement blockchain. First of all, what is the main advantage of blockchain is that it is immutable. All the data added in blockchain cannot be changed. Now, let's discuss how we implement blockchain. First of all, we need to configure blockchain. For configuring blockchain, we have to create the free EOS blockchain and then we configure our blockchain. After configuring it, we directly launch blockchain and this will take up only few minutes. First of all, we set the tokens. Now we name token as HEALTH, which is health, and we take the decimal precision is 4 digit after the decimal point, and the quantity which we created is 100. After 100 there are preceding 6 zeros, and after that we have quality issues to Genesis account, which is the value which is 1 upon 10 to the quality created quantity, because we have some quantity in reserved. After that we set the chains. We named chain as healthcare. After that we named organization as Taker Perry and select organization type as an individual. We also take the corporate type plus enterprise type also. Now coming to next, so we named our organization as Taker Perry and then our Genesis account name as Demo Genesis, which is for prototype purpose. After that we have to assign one public key. Now what is the need of public key? The need of public key is to provide an access key for the user to access our blockchain platform. Now after that we launched our blockchain. After that there is, first of all, the first step is the initial provisioning is there for blockchain. In that there is some initial installations are there. On second step there is launching the nodes. Launching the nodes means there are different nodes in a blockchain. Nodes are nothing but the objects or the members of the blockchain. Suppose for our blockchain the members are doctor, patient, insurance and appraiser. Now after that we are installing the smart contracts. Now smart contracts are the main thing for blockchain. Now what is smart contracts? In C or C++ there are concept of classes. In the same way there is concept of smart contracts in blockchain. Now coming to after that there is syncing of block production. In that there is the production of blocks which are joined with one to another in blockchain. Now after that our blockchain is created and these are the details for our blockchain. Now there is marketplace, then the current block is 206 and the last irreversible block is 205. Irreversible block means it can't be changed and this number is automatically given by the platform. And then this is the chain details, which is chain ID, network API, blockchain type and blockchain version is there, and version is basically incrementing with the time because there are many changes occurring in blockchain because it is a modern technology. Now coming to network Genesis account, which we selected as Demo Genesis. Now coming to chain configuration. So in chain we get the size that node size is small and this policy is for private. If we want to the public, so you have to pay for that. Currently we are using the free subscription for that, and these are the current nodes on the chain, which is healthcare and the region is Singapore, and this is the utilization for our CPU. Now what is the amount of CPU being utilized in our process? Now the chain CPU is that total and then block CPU usage. After that we have the chain net, then chain RAM plus health token. Health token is a major amount. Now the most important feature in blockchain is that it can't be hacked because 51% miners must be hacked for this purpose. Now coming to the main coding block means what is the main coding behind the what is the thing which takes place in backend. So we code the whole process in Unix in terminal. So in Azure, now I maximize the size and this is Azure Cloud Shell. Now why we are using cloud is because the main issue in blockchain is the scalability. So we cope up with that features and we add the cloud in blockchain for that feature. Now we're deploying D app on Azure Cloud Cell using this command. After that, this platform is launched by using the help of Microsoft Azure Cloud Chain. Actually, we are using that for the prototype purpose. We also have the basic structure for the blockchain, but for the presentation point of view, we are using the Azure blockchain. Now in first you are selecting the members, means it is a choice of the patient to select who is the assigner, who is the doctor, who is the patient, is the responsibility of doctor or is the patient, because it is a user centric view. So user can select who is the patient, appraiser or doctor. In next, you can also initiate the new contract, means it is easy in this platform to initiate the new contract. Now what is the mobile application display? Now this application is also available on Android. Currently there are some issues there on Microsoft Azure Shell, that's why we are unable to show it you online, but this is the same prototype which we take a record after before few days. Now this is mobile application display. In this what we are seeing that the Gopal Singh Shekhawat is doctor, Manish Singh is appraiser, Prabhat Sharma is patient and Ritu Kumar Shekhawat is the insurer. Now this is the health record for JSON file snippet. In this we are using the language which is known as JSON, JavaScript object notation, which is for key value pairs, and this is used for NoSQL databases. And this is the Solidity, our main file, which is a main file like C++. This is Solidity file, the language for blockchain. So this is our prototype. Thank you.